Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. How we doing? Look at us all coming in. Look at us all choosing ourselves, but coming together as a community. So feel each other out. This is amazing to feel each other out. People wanting to move in the direction of organic, connected, human. So really connected and heart-centered. How we doing, Karen? Yeah, beautiful people. Hey, Destiny, Asia. Hey ho, Maggie. How we doing, guys? So good. Hi, guys. How we doing? Good morning. Miss this over the last week while traveling. Yes, I know I haven't seen you here, but that's the thing is you can jump in, guys. Like this, it's a beautiful space to come into. But if I'm not able to connect with you guys and you came here at this time of day and you just actually sat still, you don't even have to sit still. It's just, I'm going to be part of this community. Because we work beyond the physical here. We're working beyond the physical and you will feel the frequencies. So we're working beyond, the time, space, the matrix, what people would call the matrix. We're working with our higher selves here, which is amazing. Hi, Anna. I saw my sticker on your store window and it made me so happy. I was going to honk at you as I was driving by. Hey, Crystal. How you guys doing? So amazing. So here we are. It's Thursday. Tomorrow we're going to stay on a little bit longer and answer some questions or just receive some comments. Everybody who's here, it's a whole it's a beautiful thing for me to witness because we're shifting really, really effortlessly, guys, because you guys are ready. So it's like, you've read some books, you've done some work, you've gone to church, you did that plant medicine, tried the pharmaceutical route, you went to we did all these things. We've all done things, steps towards. And finally, it's like, you know what? I'm just going to do myself. I'm just going to do myself, knowing that everything is inside of me. So we're not going to reach outside of ourselves for teaching. We're actually going to reactivate that breadth of knowledge that is already inside of you, that knowledge that transcends all. So this is the ultimate space for you to, not me, no, this space that we're getting into, the field that we're opening up to, that I went in there, I was kind of like a pioneer and I jumped in there. It's like, wow, whoa, whoa, taking a look around. It's like, this is amazing. And so sharing that, opening up that field for all of us so we can all jump in and reactivate and remember. And when you're there, and you rediscover that part of you that you're already healed, you're already whole, you already know, you're already abundant, you are the miracle machine. When you're in that space, it's like, oh, I actually need very little. So that's why someone said the other day, wow, this space is so crisp and clear and simple. Correct. You're not going to see me laying out rules here. You're not going to see me saying, you have to do this, you have to do that. The only thing I do say to new people here is keep coming back because it's a process. Okay. It takes a couple months to get the hang of it. And then you get into refinement. So now I'm sitting in the space of refinement. And there's many of you here who are refining yourselves now. So the big clunky, chunky stuff has fallen away and you're now in a really clear, crisp, inner world. And then it's about how could my choice be even more gorgeous? How could my choice be even more in service, more for humanity, more for myself? Because what's for you is also for humanity. When you're crisp and clear, it's not that you have to choose one thing and someone else loses. No, everybody wins when you're in the higher frequency. So by you choosing yourself is the least selfish thing you could ever do. And that's why I keep saying, share this out. It's a space we've opened up to. It's always been here. And in this particular timeline, it's been waiting for humans to get ready to jump in. And you guys, look, you're just regular humans. I'm a regular human being who remembered. and so are you. So it doesn't have to be that you're royalty. We're made in the image of creation. So that is, it's a beautiful remembering, who we are, but it's without attachment. So the only thing we really need to be able to do is to be willing to let go. To be willing to let go of the history, the drama, the stories, the pain, the suffering, the rules, the programs, the distortions, the victimhood, the addictive patterning. We just have to be willing to say, you know what, I'm going to try it a different way. I'm just going to be in this moment. I'm going to be in this moment now and see how I can create there. And guess what? That's your ticket to freedom. That's the ticket home. That's the golden ticket, the key to your kingdom, right there. Become present. When you're present, everything is available to you. The good, the bad, everything in between. And chances are pretty good, if you're crisp and clear, you're going to choose a good life. You got it? So we share this out far and wide. Let's get going. As we take a deep breath in, we talk about that crisp and clear. I was down at the ocean this morning and it's intense. It was high tide. The waves were crashing and really big and powerful, and people getting pulled left, right, and center. Lots of surfers. There's safety with the board, but you wouldn't want to be swimming in that, I don't think. But today we're going to stand at the ocean and we're going to let the waves, the crisp, clear, pure waves, that salt, electrical, magnetic water just wash through us. And like I said, we let go. We're going to allow each wave to take away everything that isn't us. Okay? Just like that. So feeling the sand on your feet. What color is it? Is it white? Is it darker? Is it coarse? Is it fine? Is it just sand? Or are there pebbles? Are there rocks? Get your beach set up for you. Get so in this moment, ready to let go of more. Walking the softness of the sand towards the ocean. It's not far today we have to walk because it is high tide. A rainbow off in the distance. The promise from your higher self. When you let go, the higher self can really come in. That reunion. So that trust, the surrender, the sweet surrender, as we step up to the ocean water. It's a perfect temperature. As we gaze out across the ocean, just taking it all in. Feeling the beauty, the purity of this water, the knowledge, the power, the simplicity. The ocean is only in the present moment. It's all it knows. As we feel these waves approaching, feeling our headspace just expansive, just present. This is where we have the wisdom to pay attention to our thoughts. We get to call them out. We get to call out what the mind creates and say, that's not true. That's just a story. That's not who I am. With the breath of the present moment, we get to call out the untruths in the mind. Feeling your body as these waves are rolling towards us. Feeling your body. Is there stiffness? Is there heaviness? Is there pain? Whatever it is, let's let these waves wash through the body. And then the heart, feeling the heart. Really opening up that in your chest, feeling that heart space opening up and filling up your chest cavity right now. So it's ready for the waves. As we take a deep breath in, the first wave coming towards us. When I count to 3, just moving through us. 1, 2, 3. Feeling it in slow motion. This wave moving through us. Through the mind, through the body, through the heart. Taking everything that no longer serves and just washing away. Another wave coming through. 1, 2, 3, coming through. Through the mind, through the body, and through the heart. Just letting go. It's all we need to do. Just let go. One more time, guys. When I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. This beautiful, clear, crisp wave crashing through the mind, taking everything that isn't you. The body, just taking it, and the heart, the part of you that never dies, letting go. Let's get quiet in the stillness now. As the ocean becomes calm, as the sun reappears, just feeling clarity inside. Feeling the peace. Feeling the simplicity. Just like that. Feeling the beauty of a second chance. To really do life. To be so alive. Where passion is your second nature. Where joy, sharing, deep compassion, love, a second chance to carve out a path for you and your loved ones. That is so grand. Just like that. As we take a deep breath in, ready to just come back wherever you are, wherever we are in the world, just coming back. I'm feeling that change. How we doing, guys? How we doing? Mm-hmm. There's an amazing guy. Oh, Paige, you're here. That's amazing. How you doing, Paige? I was just thinking of you this morning. That's so fun. Nice to see you. That was my favorite. You're welcome. Sending pure love to all. Exactly. Crisp, clear, simple, pure love. That's who we are. There's nothing else, guys. So remember this moment, okay? Remember this moment. The truth cuts through everything. Thank you. Got here late, but made it. Yeah, you do the replay, Shan. That one is on the top 3 with the boulder. Yeah, I know. So maybe we'll keep this one, Maggie. Let's there's some that, we'll keep up for a little while because it's a great, you can repeat this, guys, especially if you're, healing from something, like a deep healing, then this would be a good one to just allow to keep rolling through. They are on YouTube. Okay, yeah, we're starting to put them on YouTube, guys. So that's another way you can share with people. Yes, the bolder one. I know there's some that are just, they're so easy for us humans to relate to, right? Because we are fleshy. Thank you. Got here late too, but caught the wave. Yeah, so I'm going to load this right now before my Spanish class, and you guys can listen to the replay. Let's share this out far and wide. Humanity is ready, just like you guys are. We're all ready. We're all ready to just get in position. Get in position for, it's like what I say when I see someone, it's like, wow, they're so alive, because, we become so alive again because we remember, and everyone can do it. There's nobody who can't do this. Okay. You just got to be willing to let go temporarily, and then it becomes second nature for you. You live. I live with every breath. I let go now. I don't hold on. There's no need. Okay. Okay. Love you guys so much. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.